How to trade gift cards online. It's important to exercise caution when engaging in online transactions involving gift cards and cryptocurrencies, as there are potential risks involved. However, if you're interested in trading gift cards for Bitcoin, there are other popular platforms where you can explore such transactions. One example is Noons or Paxful, which is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency marketplace that facilitates the exchange of gift cards for Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Here's a general guide on how to trade gift cards for Bitcoin on platforms like Paxful and Noons. Create an account, sign up on the platform of your choice, and complete the necessary verification process. Browse available offers, look for offers from users willing to buy your specific type of gift card. Pay attention to the conversion rate, the user ratings, and the terms of the trade. Initiate a trade. Once you've found a suitable offer, start the trade and follow the instructions provided by the buyer. This may involve providing the necessary details and images of the gift card. Verification and confirmation. The buyer will typically verify the gift card details and confirm the trade. Be prepared to cooperate and provide any additional information required. Receive Bitcoin. After verification, the buyer will release Bitcoin into an escrow account. You will need to provide a Bitcoin wallet address for the funds to be sent to. Complete the trade. Once the Bitcoin is in your wallet, confirm the completion of the trade on the platform. Remember, it's essential to do thorough research on any platform before engaging in transactions. Ensure that the platform has a good reputation and provides secure escrow services to protect both parties involved in the trade. Additionally, be cautious of scammers or fraudulent activities and never share sensitive information that could compromise your security. Please note that cryptocurrency regulations and availability may vary depending on your location. It's crucial to comply with any legal requirements and seek advice from professionals if needed. Thanks for watching this video.